tires like this, you shake it.
Oh,
You feel you
yeah,
hear the noise? Well, if you don't adjust those, then it'll fuck the races, eh?
Yeah.
So far, so good.
One of the tanks changed to the polyurethane.
Have you got them?
No, I don't.
I don't have them either. There's some work to be done here.
Yeah.
This breathing has to be hooked up, eh?
Yeah.
To the, it's got a new fuel pump. Needs a new hose. Open the door on the other side. I'm going to show you. It's up to you. You do whatever you want. But this has to, should be changed. You see that how that hose is collapsing?
Yeah.
The rat hose there, going like this.
Yeah.
I'm going to have you inside.
So, new customer found us on YouTube. Literally just rolled into the yard. Dad's going through the quick initial look through here. And they indicated they're using this for Winter Road between Barons River and St. Teresa Point. So Dad'll go through everything here, find out what's going on. Can't open the door there.
Don't do a proper job, they shortcut it. And it's like having a chain like this, and that link is lead and that was lead.
So
I'm just telling you the truth, I'm not running it out.
Daisy, relax.
Come over here for a minute.
I'll get into it.
Where's the owner?
Dad's razzing the customer already.
Like the fan is not going to work properly when that's loose, right?
Okay.
And you're going to overheat the edge. So that has to be fixed. Just little shit, eh? Before we... And here, look at this. The hinge is so worn. Are you going to finish the rest of it, though?
I'll do the interior later.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
Well, I'm going to show
Daisy.
you...
it's just the mechanical stuff.
I'm going to show you a few tips about this.
Daisy.
We'll change it after. Let's see.
Yeah.
No, I just want to look here. See, I have some. Hey, I have some hinges yet.
Okay. How the sprockets do they look?
No, it's okay yet.
Yeah.
They're getting soft though, eh?
Okay.
In here, you're okay for I don't know how much you use it. Like when I was up north, I run 10,000 miles a year, and every 2 years I put everything new on. But I'm up at the territory, so you know I can't fuck around with something. Well, this one's good. Is that the shifter there?
Yeah, that's the shift. And it has no brakes. I didn't want to reload it up. And I set it up with this.
I gotta show you another thing. When you put a chain on a door like this, now watch what happens when the
Oh, okay, yeah, I see that.
doors fit pretty good. You know, I've seen them a lot fucking worse.
What about the tires? Look, this is pretty ripped.
Yeah, it's you ready for. But that could go for a long time.
Yeah.
I wouldn't worry about. You know, the one that you want to have is you got a brand new tire. That should go in the back.
Yeah.
Because if you have a flap, you're fucked.
Yeah, on the back, right?
Yeah. These here.
No
these
tag
Size
here.
of these tires, maybe I could get the new tires.
450, 60.
Dad tells you like it is. He doesn't,
That's what you need.
because so Dad's just showing a new customer what he's done on the other customer's bombardier, so that better idea of what's going on. And Cat's supervising from the top. So Dad's just showing customers what one of our other customers' bombardier looks like out in our bombardier shed. You know, this customer spared no expense to build this one.
Different story.
So
Mason, I hope my grandpa like this one, same thing. Yeah, even if it's windows like this.
Look inside.
Yeah.
Grandpas look like that.
this is not for sale. So if anybody's asking if this is for sale, it's not. Customer owns this one. It would have to be up to the customer to sell it. But if I had to guess, it's probably in the $75,000 to $85,000 range. This thing is completely redone.
Because this is.
This one here right now is $75,000.
Like
There
I
you
mean, the
go,
whole thing.
75,000.
Yeah.
Oh no!
The
You know, in
project-
1980 they were 160,000. So if somebody is got to pay like say 75 for one of these,
Yeah.
fuck, they got a deal.
So what's this now? Right now as it is?
Oh, this is not for sale.
No, I'm just saying.
Oh, he's got 75,000 into
In
this.
it, yeah.
All new tires,
Yeah,
everything.
yeah, yeah. So this is worth like, this fucking thing is worth at least 100,000.
Okay, so there you go. Dad just said it's worth 100 grand. But there's poor lighting in there, but this is just an idea. But this is the bombardiers of bombardiers here, so this is one of Dad's pride and joys that he worked on here for the customer. Customer spared no expense. There's our dog. Daisy Puckatawagan garbage dog.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, the best thing to do is look, take pictures, and then progress and do it as you.
Okay, so Dad's talking with the customer inside the office. They got it started up here. They had to tighten up the battery cables, put some gas in. Doesn't sound too bad. But they're talking about some repairs that they want in the office. Don't know if they want the mufflers there, but I think there's going to be some work on that engine. Muffler holes are closed up. A lot of vibration on that muffler. Oh, we'll find out what the customer really wants when we get it sold up here, or settled up. Okay, they're just removing all the chains and binders here. We're gonna unload it here right away. Looks like the customer wants a bunch of work, and so hopefully we're gonna start doing more videos on this customer machine right soon. I didn't see the tag on the inside of the door there, so I don't know what year. Dad might know better. Probably late 50s, early 60s. This machine, pretty good shape, but there is work that needs to be done. Get out of the way, Rod.
You're gonna put the ramps down.
think Dad just told him to
Right off.
right off. There you go. It's got to go back. We'll never have clearance here, Dad, for the other vehicles.
I'm gonna move it after.
Okay.
I have to take this apart. Okay. I'll tell you why. This lip should be over top.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Because this way here, you're going through ice and you happen to be spinning, you'll pull that up.
Yeah.
The fucking track is spliced wrong, eh?
Okay.